Welcome to Eurofed, where passion meets professionalism. A place where we are transparent about your service, repair, and performance needs.
14 years in the business, my favorite thing is showing the customer what the shop experience should be.
I came to them about 5 years ago as a customer, and I can honestly tell you that these guys are like family to me.
I wouldn't take my cars anywhere else. My Lambo, my Porsche, my Camaro, my McLaren, they've done it all. They do the job right.
Aventador is my favorite car by far. I only take it to Eurofed. Eurofed did the wheels, the tires, the high flow cap, the exhaust, everything goes to Eurofed, everything.
I started Eurofed with one goal in mind, to put the customer above anything else.
Thank you so much for watching. Call now to discover the Eurofed difference.